Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. February showers are bringing out lots of beautiful spring flowers. So here's a few tips about spring flower gardening. Annual flowers are used for mass plantings or accents around trees and entrances to create a blanket of eye-catching color. They are also used in color bowls and hanging baskets to decorate patios and around pools and entryways. Examples of these flowers are alyssum, begonias, celosia, lobelia, marigolds, petunias, and snapdragons. Year-round perennial varieties include dianthus, dusty miller, gazania, lantana, sunscape daisy, chrysanthemum, geranium, penstemon, and salvia. There are also many colorful perennial shrubs that are great for the warm weather. These include things like yellow bush daisy, bush morning glory, butterfly bush, Mexican petunia, roses, and Cape honeysuckle. Some of these perennial flowers and shrubs may freeze back or go dormant in the winter, but can be cut back in early spring and will come back bigger and better the following season. There are also the hardy evergreen flowering shrubs like Indian hawthorn, pyracantha, abelia, rosemary, and star jasmine. Now is the time that these plants are just starting to perform their best, and from now through May, they will be at their peak. Use these plants as accents spread around your yard to catch the eye, and use groupings of annual color to fill in empty spaces, pots, and planters. Simply choose the right plant for the right location. Some prefer more shade, others more sun. Then follow our planting guide instructions. Improve the soil with lots of organic matter like pay dirt planting mix and add a starter fertilizer like Dr. Q's Gold Dust. Most varieties like good drainage and prefer ground irrigation like drip emitters or soaker tubing as opposed to overhead watering. Many also flower longer if old flowers are picked off, and they are fertilized regularly with Dr. Q's Rose and Flower Food. Spring color is great in containers and will brighten up your outdoor living space. Come on down to the Spring Garden Show at your local Star Nursery and see what the possibilities are for your spring garden. For more information, check out our free Star Notes number 300 and 310 at starnursery.com or on our free app. And remember, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 and talk to my plant assistant, Joey Lynn, to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you next week.